This boat is so big it has to be on a trailer sideways. It's a wide bird. Fast. Very fast. And there's plenty of seats here for everybody. I'm not counting 7, am I? 7 seats. Looks like a blowers, superchargers. Hard to tell. A lot of people in my way. We'll get up closer. Yeah. Turbos. Twin turbos on each motor. Those are big fucking motors. And big turbos. Yeah. Big turbos. That's just one of the motors. The other one's in the other hatch up there. Nice boat. Another Myco trailer. Badass motors. This one's got a pair of 400 horsepower each. You want to buy a truck? We got trucks too. Some badass trucks. I don't know how that happened, but these tires are huge. Yeah, 39 inches tall, or I don't know, 4 feet tall anyway. Huge truck. That's some ground clearance there. It's a nice truck. Now we go back to the 60s. Don't touch. Havasu street party on a beautiful April day. Yeah, it's Lake Havasu, Arizona. A couple days before Desert Thunder. Ocean racing style here on the lake. No speed limit. Some have clocked upwards of 180 miles per hour on the lake. Now that is death waiting if you crash. So, that'll be it for now.